people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk about the benefits of using a credit card for travel. So I always talk about so many different credit cards that's out there. I just recently came back from a vacation with my family. I use my credit cards when I travel because I want to get the cash back. Plus, you guys can get special rewards depending on which credit card you have, such as like my American Express, Delta card. I want to make sure I use that card if I'm going to catch a flight. I have rewards when I first signed up for it. So I want to teach you guys those different things. Now, I am not an expert in this area, so let me not start by saying I am an expert, but I want to show you guys the basics. If you guys have great credit, then maybe you want to look into other videos that can show you more, more things that can be offered when you guys are trying to, some people are like crazy into travel and stacking and all of that. I want to talk about the basics, especially if you guys don't have the best of credit, some easier credit cards you can get so you can get into rewards. I want to make sure I stay in that lane because there's just so many videos out there that talk about, the different hacks and stuff you can do if you got great credit. So I want to talk about the different things if your credit's just not the best, and when I say not the best, I'm talking under a 750 credit score. So if you guys are under the 750 credit score or 720, should I say, then this is great for you because you guys can start thinking about rewards, cash back, and points and all of that good stuff. And I want to teach you guys the different things about that. So I already have a list of like the best credit cards for travel. So we're going to go ahead and look at that list. And then when we look at that list, I want to look at some of those credit cards so you guys can see like the benefits of using that credit card for travel. Now, you can do different things when I say travel. You guys can be catching flights. You can be getting on cruises. Maybe you guys are just traveling in an RV. Maybe you guys are driving. There's different things that you can do. So I want to talk about like the different cars and what's best for you. So let's go ahead and check out the website while I'm going on and on and on. So this is my website, Rickita.com. It's so many different things on here other than what I'm going to show you. So if you want to schedule a call, definitely schedule a call, see what upcoming events I have. Do the home buy-in application if you want me to help you guys with the home buy-in. Look at my home tours I've been recording. And then I did a lot of dispute letters. I created a lot of dispute letters for you for late payments, student loans, collections, charge-offs, and bankruptcies. And these are only $27 and come with 6 letters. So if you got student loans, you send these letters out to get the student loans removed. But definitely go ahead and check that out. And then here's my membership. And if you guys are a member, don't get these letters right here. I'm already sending out letters for free for you. It's part of my membership. So I'm already sending out letters for you for free. So don't get the membership. But if you guys want help with sending out letters, you want to do our meetups that we're doing, 60 points in 60 days. You want to be part of that to keep increasing your credit score. Definitely check this out. Now, this is the section I want to show you all. So here's the best credit cards for travel. I have other ones like just the best credit cards for students, for bad credit, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. We want to go to the best credit cards for travel. So these credit cards, you guys, they're giving you travel rewards, which is what you guys want. You want to get travel rewards. So these will be great for you. So the Discover It travel credit card. This is a great credit card for travel. Discover It have this card, and I also have a video for all of the credit cards I am going to go over with you all. So definitely check out the video if you want to learn more about each individual credit card. But let's go ahead and search this card so that we can see all of the benefits for this card directly from their website. So it's the Discover It Miles card. Now, this one you're going to get 1.5 times the miles unlimited on every dollar you spent, from your airfare to hotels to groceries and online shopping. So I love that they have this. So if you guys travel a lot, you have 1.5 times the miles. So it's unlimited, you guys. So think of it like, I know Capital One also have like an unlimited with 1.5% cash back, like their Quicksilver. Think of it similar to that. And it's in miles, you guys. So you can redeem these miles as a statement credit to pay for your travel purchases for like hotels, rental cars, ride share, gas stations, restaurants, and more. So if you guys need like a basic, and I don't want to say basic, if you guys need that card, and when I say basic, let me do say that. When I say basic, this card, you're not thinking about, I get cash back for restaurants for this card, or I get cash back for this, like my Discover It cash back card. Whatever category it is, that's what I'm spending that card on. that's it. And your other cards, if they're giving you cash back on your groceries, you only gonna spend that card on groceries. If you need like an overall, I don't have a category card, then this can be a great one for you, because it's going to spend on all purchases. So it don't matter what you're spending it on, you're going to get 1.5 times the miles. Plus, whatever you get in your first year in your miles, they're going to match it. So, like with my Discover card, I think my first year cash back was like $400. Yeah, so my first year was like $400 with Discover, 300 or 400. And then what they did was, after my 1 year, they doubled it. They basically matched me. So I already had 300 and something, 400 and something. So what they did was they gave me another 300 and 400 some dollars, whatever my exact cash back was. They doubled it after your anniversary. So they're going to do the same thing for you for miles. And don't forget, you can redeem this for hotel rooms. So you don't forget, you was going to spend that money anyway on your debit card. So this is a great one. Discover can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So you were going to spend that money anyway on whatever you're going to spend it on. But now all the rewards and all the miles that you're getting, you can use that for hotel rooms, rental cars, ride share, gas stations, restaurants, and more. And there's no blackout days. Or you can get cash to spend as you please too, which is really, really good. You can just get the cash. So it's up to you on what you want to actually spend that on. But I think that this is a great option for you guys to look into. Now that is one. Now this is the one I was talking about, the Discover It Cashback credit card. Now let's check this out right here on the Discover website under their credit cards, because they have different categories. So they are going to match you. They already have it right here, unlimited cashback match. So if you get $150 in cash back your first year, then that's going to turn into $300, because they're going to give you $150. Now, let me say this. They do not have an annual fee for any of the Discover credit cards. So I really like that for you guys. And Discover is one of the easier credit cards to get into if you're looking to get like rewards and things like that. But this can be another great credit card for traveling, because you can get so much cash back. Say like right now, April through June, getting 5% cash back on restaurants and wholesale clubs, and that's going to be up to $1,500 in purchases. And then the next one is going to be announced June 1st. So while you guys are traveling, if you know you're going to be eating out, make sure you use this credit card at the restaurant so you can get 5% cash back. And it's going to be up to $1,500 in purchases, and it's going to be for a 3-month period. So I think this credit card right here would be good for traveling, because like when I went on my trip, me and my kids, we went on a cruise. I bought like snorkeling gear for us. I got it on Amazon. I got a lot of stuff on Amazon before our trip. Going to the grocery stores, maybe you guys get an Airbnb, maybe you guys want to cook, so a grocery store would be good. Restaurants, you're eating out, gas stations, we had to have a rental car, we had to get gas. So this was really good because you got the 5% cash back, and it's in rotating categories. But right now, the category is going to be restaurants. So this could be a great one for you guys for traveling. And like I said, you're going to get that 5% cash back. You can use it on whatever you want to use it on. Let me see how much cash back I have, because I usually use my cash back. Like when I pay off my credit card, I usually use my cash back to pay my statement. So let me see. So yeah, my cash back right now, I only have $32 in my cash back. But think about it like this. I wouldn't have had that if I would have used my debit card. So this is what it looks like right now. So I'm actually $31 in my cash back right now for Discover. I can just get cash and use it as a statement credit. I can get gift cards, or I can give it to charity, which I got it like that right now. But this is what you can do. So just use this credit card, especially during a time where they have these different categories. You get 5% cash back, and yeah, you can just use it. And like I said, every month I usually use my cash back, so you can see I get a nice amount of cash back with Discover. I make sure I use that towards my account. So that is something that I do. So let's go ahead and check out some of the other credit cards. I really wanted to go through the Discover because Discover, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and that's something I do like. They also have to Discover is student cash back. So if you're a student and you're looking to get cash back for travel, then this can be a great one for you because it's very similar to the rewards for the Discover It Cash Back card. And secured, this is another great one because they give you 2% back at gas stations and restaurants. It's a very easy one that you guys can get. The Tumo credit card, I like my Tumo credit card. It's good for, you can get the 1% cash back. I like that, but then I also like that they give you higher limits, so they can approve you up to $10,000, and that 1% cash back, you can use it on what you want to use it for. And I love to have this for travel, and I like to have this one for travel just in case I have an emergency or something like that. For some reason, I just don't have a card, or I just don't know. That's what my Tumo credit card is for. I don't use it just for everyday purchases. I use this for emergencies only because once you use this money on this card, this money is going to be due on the Sunday coming up. So I don't just use this for anything, but they can approve you up to $10,000. So depending on what your emergency is, this could be a great option for you if you just ain't got no other option. Maybe you're getting the money tomorrow, maybe you stranded somewhere, you just don't know, and you just don't have access to anything, then this can be a great one for you, that Tumo card. We also have the Bank of America travel rewards for students. This is a great credit card if you're a student. Whenever you're applying for credit cards, make sure you guys are make sure that you're putting your student email address in when you're applying for these credit cards, because especially if you're a student, because they give you a greater chance of getting approved for these credit cards. So they don't have no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and also to Discover, they don't have any foreign transaction fees too. I forgot to say that. And you guys will earn 1.5 points for every dollar that you spend on your purchases. It's very similar to the Discover card. Only difference is with this one, they have Discover have the 0% intro APR too, but you got to check how long. And it's going to be for purchases and for balance transfer, but make sure you do it within the first 60 days of opening your account. So if you want to do like a big vacation, you want to just put all those purchases on this credit card right now and then slowly pay it off, that can be good. So this is a great credit card for traveling. And then also, you guys are going to get 2,500 online bonus points. I can't even say it. Bonus points if you make at least $1,000 in purchases within your first 90 days. So I definitely like that. Some credit cards charge you a fee to, most credit cards charge you a fee to do a balance transfer. This one is 3%. Chase, if you guys do a balance transfer with them, they charge you 5%. So this is good. This is better than Chase, should I say. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. We went over that. So this can be a great one for traveling because you can just put your travel fees right on this credit card and do the 0% intro APR for the 18 months, 18 billing cycles, not 18 months, but the billing cycles. So this can be a great one for you. So check that out. And that $25,000 is basically going to be a $250 statement towards travel and dining. So that is good. You get $250 towards that. So if you're a student, this can be a great one for you. The Wells Fargo autograph card. Now I have the Wells Fargo active cash card. I don't have this one, but with the active cash, I get 2% cash back unlimited on everything. So that's like my basic card that I use. That I use for everything. I guess I did not copy that right. So you guys may want to look into this one. Let's pull it up. Okay, here we go right here. So you get 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in purchases in your first 3 months. I also got a bonus when I signed up for mine. No annual fee, $200 basically in cash, and you earn unlimited 3 times the points for many ways you travel basically. So restaurants, travel, gas, transit, popular streaming services, and phone plans. So that's your cell phone and landline providers. So you guys are going to earn unlimited 3 times the points. So I like this one. I might actually talk to them to see if I can get this one. This is a great one. Maybe I'll go after this one next. 0% intro APR for 12 months. and that's from opening your account. That's going to be for purchases. So this can be a great one for you because it's travel, all travel related. Plus, earn 1.5 points on all your other purchases. Now, I like the other one because it's two. I get unlimited on at least 2% cash back, unlimited on everything. So I don't care if I went to a store that wasn't like restaurants, travel cash. It don't matter what it is. I get unlimited 2 times. So I like that one. So look into the active cash if you need a good base card. And don't forget to this is going the 2% cash back. I'm going to make sure I use that on stuff that I can't get cash back nowhere else for more than that. So that's a great option. So you have that. You got the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. So that's unlimited cash back. And then they have the 0% intro APR for 15 months for that. The Chase Freedom Flex is another great one. The Capital One Platinum MasterCard. And I only said this one because some people, you may have bad credit. And honestly, you guys, when I took my kids to Disney years ago, it had to be over 6 years ago. I took them to Disney World when I didn't stay in Florida. I had rented a car with my Platinum MasterCard. And I liked that I was able to do that. And my credit wasn't the best. And I messed up my credit at that time. And I was trying to build up my credits. And this is the card that I had. And I rented a car. So if your credit's not the best, you can still rent a car. So it's great for travel. And, just keep that in mind. So I like to say that. You can also get this credit card. This is also a great credit card for you all. And it's a lot of them on here. The Capital One Saver One cash rewards. This is great for like restaurants and things like that. And then they have the 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. But those are like the best credit cards for travel. And you heard like what's the benefits of using your credit cards for travel, because you get so many different rewards. That's basically the biggest thing about it. So hopefully you guys love this video. Make sure you guys check out the website, Rickita.com. All right.